Okay, this is a brief tutorial on power and electricity. So we want to look at the power dissipated, that is how much you lose across the 20 ohm light bulb powered by two 1.5 volt batteries in series. So let's start with the voltage total. Will be the voltage of battery 1 plus the voltage of battery 2, since they're in series. And so that'll be 1.5 volts plus 1.5 volts for a total of 3 volts. We also said that the resistance was equal to 20 ohms. Now if we use Ohm's law, we can get the current then. So the current is equal to the voltage divided by the resistance, or the 3 volts divided by 20 ohms, or 0.15 amps. We're not quite there because we want power. Power's formula is, that is the power you lose, is the amount of current you're running times the resistance, which is why power lines run at high voltage and low current to minimize this loss to resistance. Regardless, we're going to plug in our 0.15 amps that we calculate from Ohm's law. We're going to square that times 20 ohms, and we're going to get 0.45 watts. Watts is a measure of power. That is how much electricity are you getting per amount of time from the batteries. Or you can abbreviate that with a W. Now, how about factoring that in on your electrical bill? If we got a 100-watt light bulb, how much does it cost to power that bulb for a day, assuming you're getting 10 cents per kilowatt hour? That's just a little bit of dimensional analysis from the first part, but I figured it was good to include it. So if you got 100 watts, we want kilowatts, so we're going to move that 2 places, so it's going to be 0.100 kilowatts. And then if we want to run it for 1 day, that's 24 hours, because kilowatt hours is how many kilowatts times the hour. So you're taking a power, multiplying it by time, and you're essentially getting an energy back. So doing that, you're essentially going to multiply 24 times 0.1, and then you'll get 2.4 kilowatt hours. But it's kilowatts times hours. Now we know the cost per hour. So if we got 2.4 kilowatts times hours, we know that our cost is 10 cents per kilowatt hour. And so that's going to cost us 24 cents. This has been a brief tutorial on power and electricity.